I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming location and safety. Do not stall on theory. Clear plants from a 1.5 m radius, then mark the exact spot and check for lines. Once done, select a 6/8 FT copper or copper-bonded rod and gather grounding clamps, heavy gauge cable, and a hammer or driver. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Safety first. Drive the rod where soil is moist for conductivity. If soil is dry, water a 30-50 cm radius to improve contact before continuing. You now drive the rod fully vertical. Stop when 1/3 remains above ground so clamps have clearance. Next, strip cable to the clamp point and attach a 6 AWG or larger copper conductor using a listed grounding clamp. Tighten firmly so it won't loosen. Once secured, route the cable to the connection point. Use conduit where exposed and fasten every 1 m. Make sure to avoid sharp bends and keep the path clear of garden tools, and label the run for future maintenance. You finish by bonding the rod to any nearby metal structures and to your lightning protection system. Use listed connectors and ensure continuous conductivity. Then perform a soil resistance test, target less than 25 ohms. If it's higher, add a second rod at least 6 m away and bond them. Once tests pass, backfill and tamp soil, protect exposed cable with conduit, and note installation date and results. If readings are off later, check clamps for corrosion and rehydrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.